Good morning, everybody. I just got back from a beautiful morning walk, and in this video I'm going to be showing you everything that I eat today as a raw vegan fruitarian here in Greece. So, I've got a couple of peaches here that I've just cut into halves that I'm going to start with, and then I've got some grapes that I'm going to eat after that. That's, nothing complicated. This is one of the things that I absolutely love about eating this way, is that it's so easy. Fruit is, like they say, fruit is the ultimate fast food. And, I've never been the type of person that likes to spend lots of time preparing food in the kitchen and stuff. So for me, it's perfect, It's just literally just like grab fruit from the fridge, wash it, eat it. If you're someone like that really likes things easy, I mean, it's the best. All right, so it's been about 4 hours, and I'm just about to have lunch now. So I've got some more grapes, mix of green and red, some figs that I picked, and some lettuce to go with that. So this is just a little tip that I've learned when it comes to eating figs. I always open them up before I eat them, just because sometimes, especially with ones that you've foraged, there can be worms inside. So I always just open them up in half like this and just inspect them, just to make sure there's no little things crawling around in there. So good. So good. Hello again. It is just after 5 in the afternoon, and I'm about to eat my third and final meal of the day. And I've got this big bowl of Valencia oranges that I'm going to have, which I've been enjoying recently. And I've got this container. This is my, I don't know, I just like this container. I just use it for all my meals. So it's got a whole bunch of cherry tomatoes in there, and some romaine lettuce and some avocado, about 3/4 of an avocado. So altogether, that's like about 85% calories coming from carbs, 5% from protein, and about 8% fat, I would say, for the day. That's pretty typical for me at the moment. What else can I say about this meal? Yeah, I mean, like most days now, I don't even bother making a salad. Obviously, you can if you want, if you prefer like more of a, I don't know, more of like a fancy thing, but I don't know, I just really love the simplicity of just eating one food at a time. And it's just easier, So, yeah, again, that's just like one of the things that I love about eating this way, is just how simple it is, and how easy it is. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. So, if you have any questions about how I eat or anything else, feel free to post them in the chat. And if there's anything else you'd like me to see, any other video content you'd like me to talk about, let me know. Until then, I'll see you later. Bye.